What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am on my way to meet the cake dealer for an omakase meal at a joint called KINZAN. This place is over on 6th Avenue, just above Houston. So I am tearing ass across Houston Street right now in this cold ass weather. It is like 20 degrees out. It's rough. This place has a $100 omakase 13-piece, I think, deal, and through the month of January, if you pay in cash, they give you 15% off. So that's what I'm going to do. So I've done a lot of these omakase riding reviews now. I could probably write a separate blog all about, you know, budget-friendly omakases in New York City. It's funny because they're not my favorite thing, because I usually end up pretty hungry afterwards still. But I got a lot of them under my belt now. I don't know how many this is, maybe 12, 15. You know, it wouldn't be so bad if it wasn't for the wind. The sun is okay. The sun is like, you know, keeps you warm a little bit, even though it's like 20 degrees out. So I'm almost there. Once I get to 6th Avenue, it's just like immediately on the left-hand side of the road. There's another spot I gotta try over there. Moat's Burger finally opened up. Smash burger joint. One of the OG guys to really introduce the world to the Oklahoma smash burger. So I'm looking forward to trying that. All right, this place is right here on the left. Oh, someone's backing into a spot. Go up here. All right, here we go. KINZAN omakase. All right, see you guys on the inside. Cheers.
이렇게 hamachi with pesto. Salmon with the yoju pepper.
He seems to be crushing it though.
Go for him.
This Hokkaido sea scallop. I changed it.
Oh yeah. All right, I get the scallop.
Yeah, I'm sad I can't have it anymore. I just feel like she's just been there and so involved. Like they've been there forever.
Yeah.
Like, oh wow.
Whoa. That's awesome.
This botan ebi with the ikura.
This is my favorite.
tabaco tuna with the chili garlic. It's Hokkaido uni. It's toro with a carrier.
Okay. Dig in. Best bite.
Hotel.
Yeah.
The hotel, Scarlet.
Within the past.
Cheers. Go for it.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
Oh, cheers.
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 Happy birthday.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So much.
Cheers.
Yeah, that place was good. You know, we got, I don't know, 12, 13 pieces. They brought out a little dessert for the cake dealer's birthday, which was cool. Some of the standout pieces for me, there was a lean tuna that had like a black olive on top. That was really cool, unique, different, great flavor. I also really liked the fatty tuna with the caviar on top. And then they had this cool thing. You saw that smoke bubble in the martini glass. So that was inside there. There was like a little bit of a sauce and a smoked piece of fish. I can't remember what kind of fish it was, but that was really fun. That was cool. I'd never seen a machine that does that. It makes like a bubble. It was really cool. So yeah, that's it. Make sure you jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full review, all the photos, everything. As usual, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.